This is John Tucci with Lake Savers and Aeration Tech. We're here in Michigan at Indian Lake, 500 acres. This is one of our largest recreational lake projects. What you're looking at is a lake well down the path of restoration. 2009, this lake was characterized as eutrophic by the water quality data, which is highly impaired. It had a major infestation of Eurasian water milfoil, hundreds of acres of growth that was being chemically treated, and also had a severe blue-green algae problem that even resulted in 2011 and early 2012 in toxic levels of microcystis, which could have been harmful to pets or children or the elderly. We implemented our whole lake bottom aeration technology and biological treatment in 2012. It's now 2016, and the change has been remarkable. We have improved water clarity from 5 feet to over 12 feet. We've reduced phosphorus both in the water column to levels below 20 parts per billion, which is close to ideal for a lake like this and surrounded by the kind of watershed it has. And we've reduced lake bottom phosphorus in the sediment substantially as well. And that's only half the story in terms of the results we've gotten with our lake bottom aeration technologies designed for large lake applications like this and biological treatment. The other side of the story is the work we've done in the watershed on this lake to identify and then filter and mitigate a major problem they were having with nutrient loading from an inlet in the north end of the lake. And we started that work in 2013, and over the last 2 years we've now not only improved the water clarity as we've talked about, but we've also eliminated Eurasian water milfoil growth from the entirety of this main body of this lake, over 500 acres. Incredible success story of a natural approach to lake management, one that is not just about putting aeration bubblers in the lake, but about putting the right kind of aeration technology that actually changes the chemistry and biology of the sediment at the lake bottom, reducing those lake bottom nutrients or compost pile. We've had measurements of 12 plus inches a year in sediment reduction in this lake. And more importantly, we've shifted the trophic status back away from eutrophic, which is impaired, to mesotrophic, and even on the healthy side of mesotrophic, turning this into a healthy lake with a healthy fishery, with native weed species still growing in the lake, but elimination of Eurasian water milfoil and total elimination of microcystis as a problem on this lake. If you're interested in learning more about our natural approach to managing lakes and bringing them back to health, contact us at lake-savers.com or call us at 269-383-3400.